Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to install Hot Icon on your MacBook or any other Mac. This icon shows the temperature of your CPU and a lot more information. Hot Icon is a handy tool that helps you monitor your Mac's CPU temperature and other vital stats right from your menu bar. It's essential for keeping an eye on your system's performance and ensuring everything runs smoothly. First, let's head over to the Google and search for Hot GitHub. And go to the first GitHub link. You can also find the link in the description below. After going to the GitHub, click on these buttons over here. To download this app, you might need to log in to GitHub. After logging in, scroll to the end of the page where you can see this hot.zip file. Click on it to download. You can click on the file to extract it, and then open Applications tab in the Finder and drag the extracted file to this Applications folder. Now, we can see the app installed in our app library and click on the icon to open it. At last, we can now see the temperature icon in the menu bar. With Hot Icon running, you can now keep an eye on your CPU temperature and other important stats directly from your menu bar. This is especially useful if you're running resource-intensive applications or want to ensure your Mac stays cool. And that's it. You've successfully installed Hot Icon on your Mac. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for the next video.